Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin stocks currently trading around $0.91. Stocks in the last 1 week has gone down by 4.8%, but in the last 1 month is up 7.8%. On a yearly time frame, stocks is down 29.1%. In this video we'll be taking a look at the stocks US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame, where stocks heading to by the end of the next bull run. How high can stocks go? In the previous bull market, we saw stocks rallying up by more than 5,300%, giving us a 50x pump to the upside. How high are we going to pump by the end of the next bull run? We'll also look at stocks performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll also look at stocks market cap. Currently, market cap of $1.2 billion. How high will stocks market cap get to by the end of the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. But if you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We're currently deep in the crypto bear market. All coins are down back, including stocks, but stocks has been pumping in the last 6 weeks. We saw stocks starting the year on a very bright note, rallying from the $0.199 level, pumping to as high as $1.2, going up by more than 542%. But that's to be expected. In the bear market, we're still going to have some pumps to the upside. But in this video, we're paying attention to how high stocks can go by the end of the next bull run. So this price target, stocks might get there in 2024, maybe early 2025. Take a look at what stocks did in the previous bull market. It took stocks more than a year to rally from the $0.048 level and for it to get to as high as $2.6. 402 days, we saw stocks give us a 5,300% pump to the upside. And when the bull market ended for stocks have been pumping by more than 612 days. After the bear market comes the bull market, but the $1,000,000 question is that, is the bear market over? Let's assume the bear market is over for stocks right now, because we have seen stocks drop for more than 412 days. As stocks are still pumping to higher prices, rallying up 500% in this bear market. Key levels to pay attention to for stocks as we continue pumping to higher prices. First, the $1.5 level. The last time we saw stocks trading around the $1.5 level was in April of 2022. We have seen it dump to Goblin Town, getting to as low as the $0.2 level. We saw the line in the sand for stocks, which was around the $0.59 level. We saw stocks facing difficulties trying to pass above the $0.59 level, but eventually we did, and that was in February. If we can get to that $1.55 level, we'll just be left with the previous all-time high. All coins are very volatile. Take a look at how low stocks went in this bear market. Stocks went down by 92%, but we've started the year on a very bright note, and stocks have recovered some of those losses. We're currently trading where we were trading back in April of 2022. And from where stocks is currently trading right now, we just need to pump by 200% for it to get to new all-time highs. Now, when it gets to new all-time highs, how are we going to know when the rally is over? How high can stocks possibly go in the end of the next crypto bull run? We're going to be using a Fibonacci retracement tool for that. From the top that stocks got to around the $2.7 region, where stocks got to in November of 2021, to the bottom where we saw stocks get to in this bear market, that's around the $0.21 level. According to Fibonacci retracement tool, stocks can even get to as high as $14.5 by the end of the next bull run. For stocks to get that high, we'll have to see stocks rally up to the upside. Stocks will have to give us a 1,400% pump from where we're currently trading, and that would have meant from where we started 2023 around the $0.2 level, we would have seen stocks rally up by more than 6,600% to the upside. That means $1,000 invested in the bottom right here should return more than $60,000. But guys, it's not just going to be a straight line to the top. We're going to pass through a lot of resistance along the way. We'll see stocks probably have some difficulties around the $3.5 region. But if we blast above that $3.5 region, stocks might still face some difficulties around the $5.5 region. We might still see stocks also face some difficulties when we go above $5.5, when we get even to as high as the $8.8 region. After the $8.8 region, we'll start seeing stocks trading in 2 digits, getting above $10. But guys, these are key levels to pay attention to for stocks when we are getting to that time where we see the market pumping to higher prices. The altcoin season index is telling us if you're going to be buying altcoins for the long haul, right now will be a good time to accumulate those altcoins, getting ready for when Bitcoin will be pumping to higher prices. The last time we saw a strong sign like this to accumulate altcoins, November of 2020. Let's take a look at what stocks was doing in November of 2020. Buying some stocks in November of 2020 would have proven to be an opportunity of a lifetime, because we saw stocks in the coming days and the coming weeks rally up by more than 1,400% to the upside. If we see stocks rallying aggressively to the upside, let's not get carried away. Guys, it doesn't mean we're going to just see stocks pumping to the $8 region in the coming days and the coming weeks. We might still have some dumps along the way. Stocks might still dump back to the $0.59 level, maybe at some point in time in this bear market. Worst case scenario, we'll see stocks find support at the $0.33 level. But there's always a possibility that we'll see stocks come back to the $0.2 level at some point in time in the bear market. But one thing that's for sure, deep in the bear market is where you want to do your accumulation. Deep in the bear market is when you want to be getting ready for the next crypto bull run. Because in the bear market is where you find your first 10x, 20x, even your first 100x coin that will pump to the moon. But you don't want to go all in bear market, guys. That's one mistake you want to avoid. A lot of investors have made that mistake in the past, going all in too quickly. Take a look at what happened for stocks in February of 2020. If you have gone all in too quickly, you would have seen a 76% dump to the downside. And that reason why you don't want to go all in too quickly is that you won't have any capital to take advantage of any life-changing opportunities that comes your way in the bear market. The bear market can be long. The bear market can be very, very brutal. But at the end of the bear market, the rainbow awaits you. At the end of the bear market, huge pumps to the upside awaits you. In the last 1 year, stocks has traded for as high as $1.53. It has also traded for as low as $0.2. With a market cap of $1.2 billion, stocks has a fully diluted market cap of $1.6 billion. Currently ranked 45 on CoinMarketCap, over 161,000 people have stocks on their watch list. Stacks is a Bitcoin layer for smart contracts. It enables smart contracts and centralized applications to use Bitcoin as an asset and settle transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. If you want to buy or sell some stocks in bear markets, getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can do that on Binance, on KuCoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, if you take a look at stocks performance against Bitcoin, but deep in the bear market, you expect stocks to be dumping against Bitcoin, but stocks in the last 6 weeks has overperformed against Bitcoin, outperforming Bitcoin by more than 297% to the upside. Stocks might continue dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks, but by the end of the next bull run, I believe we might see stocks return to the previous high we set against Bitcoin. In the previous bull market, we saw stocks rallying up by more than 498% against Bitcoin. Since the turn of the year, stocks has rallied up by more than 300% against Bitcoin. Is this a story of what to come? Stocks might get to new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. But in the coming days and the coming weeks, I will not be shocked to see stocks slowly but surely continue bleeding and dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin. We've pumped aggressively to the upside, guys. After pumps comes dumps, and after dumps comes pumps. And right now, stocks has pumped to the upside by around 300%. You expect it as we continue the bear market to dump to gobbling town. That will be another period where you can take advantage of that opportunity and reaccumulate, getting ready for the next bull run. Stocks against Ethereum also has been seeing huge increase. We have seen stocks rally aggressively also against Ethereum, pumping by more than 350%. At this point in time, a lot of people will be piling their Bitcoin and Ethereum into stocks, but guys, the ship has already left the station. The best time to do that was in the beginning of the year. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we might see stocks dumping to gobbling town against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's what all coins do in the bear market. If you see people getting scared in the market, they run towards safety and stocks has been pumping in the last few days against the US dollar, against Bitcoin, and against Ethereum. And after pumps comes dumps. There's greed in the market. You want to sell greed, you want to buy extreme fear. And there's anything that we're sure in the market is that at some point in time in the future, extreme fear is going to return to the cryptocurrency market. If you take a look at stocks market cap, currently around $1.2 billion, we saw stocks market cap even get to as high as $4.6 billion by the end of the previous bull market. And by the end of the next bull market, we might see stocks market cap rally up almost to as $20 billion. Stocks market cap currently at $1.2 billion can rally to the $19 billion region. But we'll have to see a 1,400% pump to the upside if that's to happen. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. By the end of the next bull run, do you think we're going to see stocks trade above $10, or are you going to see stocks dumping to Goblin Town and never set new all-time highs? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
7